Hello there, my name is Adelowo Oluwaseyi. Welcome to Do This Digital Tech. In this short video, I will be showing you how to promote your book for more sales. So when you log into your KDP account, it will take you to your book shell. I'll be using this particular one. So all you need to do is click on Promote an Advert. So when you click on Promote an Advert, it will redirect you to the interface where you can quickly do the promotion. So in the case of this book, it is not yet enrolled in KDP, and before you can make use of their free promo with them, you will have to enroll your book in KDP. So I will quickly enroll this in KDP. So tap on it, tap on enroll. So you will see that Kindle Countdown deal will be activated now. So when you scroll down, you can see that Run a Price promotion is now active. In the course of this, I want to make use of the first one, which is Kindle Countdown deal. Then there's another one, free book promotion. Now if you want to use this free book promotion, you will need to put the links of all your books in a particular book that you want to use as a promotion, and after the title page you should put everything there before you do free book promotion. But I'll be using the Kindle Countdown deal. So click on a new Kindle Countdown deal. So here we are. The marketplace is Amazon.com. So this will be scheduled for 16 because I'll be scheduling before now. So the available time for all the books I'll be scheduling is going to be from June 16. Today is also 16, so it's from June 16. You can see it's from June 16, and it's going to be 7 days or even more. So from June 16 to 23rd. So I will schedule it. Though today is May 16. I've run series of deal advert. Let's read what is here. Select marketplace. The second one is choose when the promotion will start and end. So if I want to shoot my start date, it has permanent me to June 16. Let's see. I can't do less than June 16 because I'll be doing adverts for this particular account. So that's why I'm on June 16 now. So I've choose this. So all you need to do is scroll down, click on continue, then scroll down again, add promotion. Don't forget we did for Amazon.com. So it's processing now. When you scroll down, you can see it's here already. So I will also click on it again because I want to do for 2 marketplace. I will click on it again. Okay, you can see automatically it has changed to Amazon.com.uk. So still giving me this as my default date. So I can also schedule for Euro. So I will click on continue, scroll down, add promotion. So when you scroll down, you will see that we have 2 marketplace, which is Amazon.com and Amazon.co.uk, scheduled for the same day, and it will end the same date. So that is all you need to do, and this promo will run by June. For this particular book, it will run by June 16 and head by June 23rd. It will run for the 2 marketplace. Now don't forget we are in May 16, so I'll be running advert. We have series of book in this account, so I'll be running advert for it. As in this Amazon deal, countdown deal, I'll be running it for it. This is where I am now, June 16. So I'm June 16 already. So that is how you also can run adverts for your book. Free advert, I mean, for your book. Don't forget, I said if you want to use free book now, because I've used this, I can't use this now except a new book. So if you want to run this, you will have to input your books into the one you want to give out for free, because people like free things, they will download it. So at least they should have where to fall back to when they read and they wish to see more of your work. So that will be all for today. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.